I'm Ash Wednesday, and I'm here to talk about what goes in the trash and what goes in the recycling. I've got a bunch of items, and I'm gonna sort them. Plastic bottle. This one's easy, it's recyclable. But little known fact, you're supposed to remove the wrapper. Spray. It says, this is a steel can. Please recycle when empty. Recyclable. One more. iPhone 4. Oh, this has a recycling symbol on it. Recycling. Paper box, recyclable. I guess this is more paper box. Recycling. Pop quiz. You have an old iPhone 4 and it's ready to die. Where do you take it? E-waste disposal. Target, Walmart, Best Buy, any electronics store has e-waste disposal. Don't put it in the trash. And also don't put it in the recycling. E-waste disposal. What recycling questions do you have? Let me know in the comments and I'll look it up for you. We'll do a video, it'll be fun.